Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have to explain about the source of EM wave, electromagnetic wave. In previous chapter I have explained that electromagnetic wave is made by two fields, electric field and magnetic field, and both are perpendicular to each other, and the wave propagation will be along the direction perpendicular to electric field and magnetic field. For example, if electric vector is along y direction and magnetic vector means magnetic field. Here electric field along y direction, magnetic field along z direction, then the wave propagation will be along positive x direction. I think you have understood this concept. Electric field vibrate perpendicular to magnetic field, or magnetic field vibrate perpendicular to electric field, and at the same time the wave propagation is along the perpendicular to electric field as well as magnetic field. Means direction of wave propagation, electric field and magnetic field, all three are mutually perpendicular. Okay? Actually, we are talking about the source of electromagnetic wave. Since electromagnetic wave is constituted, is formed by electric field and magnetic field, that means what is the cause of the formation of electric field, formation of magnetic field? This is very much important and interesting. In previous lecture, we have understood that whenever there is, as per, I think, Faraday law, in Faraday law, the changing magnetic field or flux, the changing magnetic field produces electric field. And Maxwell said the changing electric field produces magnetic field also. Means electric field produces magnetic field and magnetic field produces electric field. But what is the source of this interesting, amazing production? That is very much important. You have heard a very important keyword, LC oscillation. In LC oscillation, what happens? There is a capacitor, there is an inductor. There is an inductor. What happens? When capacitor is fully charged and it is connected to an inductor, then what happens? The fully charged capacitor get discharged slowly and slowly. That means the flow of charge takes place, means current grows, and after some time current becomes maximum. Slowly charge from positive starts coming out here, means current grows. Current grows means rate of flow of charge, and whenever charge moves, that means Due to movement of electric charge, due to movement of charge, you can say, electric field and magnetic field both are produced. Due to movement, when it moves, the charge moves from this terminal, then current grows, and after some time current becomes maximum. And after maximum current, the inductor, due to its property, it prohibits, it stops its growth slowly and slowly, and again it decreases, and again after some time the polarity changes, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. Means the oscillation of charges takes place here, maximum to minimum to maximum to minimum current, and changing of polarity. That means the charge motion of charge is maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, means charge oscillates. And oscillating charge means what? Oscillating charge means, there is very important thing. Oscillating charge means what? You should understand. Oscillating charge means the velocity of charge varies according to SHM, simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion, what happens? The velocity varies and it becomes maximum at the extreme, becomes zero at the extreme, and becomes maximum at the mean position, and again on the extreme position it becomes minimum, and at mean position it becomes zero. That means velocity changes, means acceleration takes place. Here the variation of velocities of the charge, flow of charge, that is flow of current. Flow of charge means flow of current. Gradually its value from here, when it gets discharged, charge, it gets discharged, slowly, current grows, and a time comes when current becomes maximum. And again it stops its growth because of the property of inductor. Again it slowly decreases, and again it returns back, and again it is oppositely charged again. Means capacitor get discharged and again gets fully charged. Means this oscillation of charging discharging takes place after a certain interval of time. Means oscillation takes place. Means accelerated charge particles is witnessed. An accelerating charge particle always gives electric field, produces, not gives, it produces. Accelerating charge produces the electric field as well as magnetic field, and both are perpendicular to each other. Means that means what? The electric field and magnetic field, they have the equations. Their equations are like SHM equation, and you all know about the graph in SHM. If we take electric field, the graph of electric field will be like that. The electric field, suppose it vibrates along y direction, and along z direction the magnetic field, because electric field produces magnetic field, but it will be perpendicular, means it will be like that, it will be like that, it will be like that. the vibration of magnetic field will be along z direction. The vibration of electric field will be along y direction. Both will be perpendicular to each other, and the electromagnetic wave will propagate along x direction. So this electric field produces the magnetic field, and you all know that this magnetic field, it wants to vanish this electric field according to Lenz's law. The birth of B, the cause of birth of B that opposes the cause of birth of B, the magnetic field B that has been produced due to E, then according to Lenz's law, the B wants to finish this electric field. So equal and opposite electric field will be produced here. And again, this electric field will produce the equal and opposite electric field is here. Again, it will produce a magnetic field. That means, and this process will continue. So electric field produces magnetic field. This magnetic field wants to finish this electric field, so it makes opposite electric field. This opposite electric field again produces magnetic field, and so on. And it moves with the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And since this propagation is totally in the transverse in nature, because in transverse wave, the direction of propagation of wave and the vibration of the particle in the medium are perpendicular to each other. Here electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of electromagnetic wave. Therefore, it is in transverse, it shows the transverse nature. So we have found the answer that how you can say, suppose you are asked how you can say that electromagnetic wave is transverse in nature. That answer can be found from here. So it is a very clear explanation about the source of electromagnetic wave. I think you have got the concept. Okay.